Okay, need to provide to say that help with visual learning and get recognized also. I think that that book, Introduction to Statistical Learning, can help you with that, and Anita provided, okay? Mr. Wastid, let us know where you're from. I don't think you introduced yourself. Hi Dennis, Sam here. How to break into tech jobs. I have 10 plus years of experience in astrophysics research programming. I have experience in a lot, but not a lot in one. Feel stuck. I'm also 36. Feel stuck. There's a limited character, so sorry about the abbreviation and slang on that question. For someone like you, you could also look up my data science roadmap. Even though I label it as for students, I do say that it's for people who are early in their career or looking to make the transition in their career. I'm also sharing what I did to make my transition in my career, and I believe that video is coming out on Monday. I think I have a video coming out on that on Monday. So yes, so check out the data science roadmap or check out my video on Monday, because for the first time ever, I'm sharing my entire story of how I did the transition from one to the other.